Alright, the 5-minute camping lantern from Rubbish Parts. All you need for this is some metal cutters like 10 snips or heavy duty shears, and you need a couple of cans, a piece of wire, and some wood screws, or better yet, self tappers or sheet metal screws. Either will work. And all you're going to do is take whatever size can you want. This one was a long, tall one. I just cut out the side, and inside, behind the candle, the cutout I reversed and I screwed it in the other side so it's a light reflector now, like so. And then I've taken another can, this particular one was a tuna can, and I flipped it upside down and I punched holes in it, and I took some old fencing wire and made my camping lantern handle. There you go. For the purpose of this video I painted it, but that's certainly not required or anything. So in just a little bit you could bang out a whole bunch of these for your campsite and be all set.